In this quick guide, you'll see how to complete Timewall tasks, how earnings are added step by step, and how the withdrawal process works. So let's jump right in. Let's start with the easiest one, clicks. Okay then, click here to go to this section. Solve the CAPTCHA if it appears here. Then view the ad for 5 seconds. Wait a moment. And here is another one. Wait a few seconds. And again. Then refresh the page to see the points you've earned. Before we dive into Timewall microtasks, there's something important to explain about website profiles in Timewall. Click here. And now we can see a bunch of website profiles from third-party platforms. You can select one of them to complete tasks. And here, I've selected FreeCash. All right, now let's explore Timewall microtasks. Click here and go to the Tasks section. And here we have a bunch of different tasks available. And here, you can filter tasks by earnings, actions, approval rate, and other options. It's better to choose tasks with a high completion rate to avoid getting rejected. Okay, let's try doing a task. I'm choosing this YouTube subscribe task. Click View. And here are the instructions. But before we begin, we need to solve the CAPTCHA. Now that we're in, we can see the task details. And they ask for a screenshot as proof. Let's follow the steps. Go to the provided link. Here's the proof instruction. And here's where you upload the proof. Let's go back to the task. Subscribe with notifications and take the screenshot. Okay then, select the screenshot. And submit it for approval. Okay, the task is completed. The points are now added to your pending balance. Let's look at another example. Okay, let's pick this Telegram task. View the task. Follow the instructions given. First, click the link and open Telegram. And then click on Open Wallet there. This one asks you to provide your username as proof. Click the link. Open it in Telegram. Launch the Telegram app. Sometimes, Telegram tasks only require you to join a channel. Go to Settings. And here, you can copy your username. And enter it here and submit. Okay, the task is completed. The points are now added to your pending balance, and you can check the status of your submissions in the My Submissions section. Once approved, the points will move to your approved balance, and you'll be able to withdraw them. But if there's a mistake, the task might get rejected, and no points will be added for that rejected task. Now let's see how to withdraw your points to your preferred platform. Go to the Withdraw section, but first make sure the correct web profile is selected, the one you use to complete the tasks. Here, I'm using FreeCash as my web profile. Once that's done, you can withdraw your balance from here by simply pressing the withdrawal button. But remember, you need 500 points to make a withdrawal. The coins will be sent to your FreeCash account. Quick reminder, 1,000 points gives you about 85 FreeCash coins, and 10,000 points is just under $1. It may not seem like much, but the tasks are quick and easy. But anyway, it's up to you to decide. So, let's check it out on FreeCash. Here we've got $1.03 after converting the points. And here, we've received a notification. After you receive your balance into FreeCash, you can cash it out through any of the available options here. And finally, let's see how to join Timewall. Go to the Earn section in FreeCash and scroll down to the Offer Wall section. Here we have Timewall, so click on it. And here you can sign up. After that, you'll see Timewall linked with your FreeCash profile, and you can also add other website profiles and switch between them. Okay then, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, mate.